Good morning, dear students. Beta, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and safe at home. Beta, welcome back in your English class. Today, in English, we will write first letter of the picture and we will also revise Z sound story. Let's start. Yes, beta. Here are some pictures. First of all, we will identify these pictures. Let's read it. Follow me, beta. Ella leaf, Ella leaf, Biba ball, Biba ball. Cake a kite, Cake a kite, A arrow, H her hat, H her hat, M a mango, M a mango. S a star, S a star. W a wool, W a wool. R a racket, R a racket. F a fish, F a fish. G grapes, G grapes. I ice cream, I ice cream. J jug, J jug. P pipe, P pipe. T toffee, T toffee. Yes, beta. Now we will write first letter of the picture. Say and write. L leaf, L leaf. Biba ball, Biba ball. Cake a kite, Cake a kite. A arrow, A arrow. H her hat, H her hat. M a mango, M a mango. S a star, S a star. W a wool, W a wool. Next is R a racket, F a fish, F a fish. G grapes, G grapes. I ice cream, I ice cream. J jug, J jug. Next is beta paper pipe, paper pipe. And Tita toffee, Tita toffee. Like this beta, you will complete one page of write first letter of the picture. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Here are our magnetic letters. And here are the objects that we will be using in this video. Here we have a donut, a watch, a slice of pizza, and a highlighter. Each of these four letters makes the initial sounds for each of these objects. Can you figure out which ones belong to which? Donut, d, 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 donut.
G.
Watch, w, 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 watch.
W.
Pizza, p, 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 pizza.
P.
Highlighter, h, h, highlighter.
H.
Now we have a strawberry, a fish, a cupcake, and a bow. Strawberry, strawberry.
S.
Fish, fish.
F.
Cupcake, cupcake.
C.
Bow, bow.
B.
Now we have a lemon, a teddy, grapes, keys, and a pen. This time, to make it harder, the letters on the side will remain there. Lemon, lemon.
L.
Teddy, teddy.
T.
Grapes, grapes.
G.
Keys, keys.
K.
Pen, pen.
P.
We hope you've had fun learning about initial sounds with us. Why don't you try using your everyday objects and toys around your house and some letters to identify initial sounds?
Thanks for watching.
Now we will learn Z sound story. Zuban had gone to the zoo. Zuban had gone to the zoo. Zuban sat down and made a zigzag line. Zuban sat down and made a zigzag line. A bird was trying to carry a zip. A bird was trying to carry a zip. Zahira went near the board on which 0 was written. Zahira went near the board on which 0 was written. Suddenly, the gate opened. A zebra ran out of the zoo. Suddenly, the gate opened and a zebra ran out of the zoo. The zookeeper ran after him and caught him at the zebra crossing. The zookeeper ran after him and caught him at the zebra crossing and brought him back in the zoo and brought him back to the zoo. Let's repeat it, beta. Zuban had gone to the zoo, Zuban sat down and made a zigzag line. A bird was trying to carry a zip. Zahira went near the board on which zero was written. Zahira went near the board on which zero was written. Suddenly, the gate opened. A zebra ran out of the zoo. Suddenly, the gate opened and a zebra ran out of the zoo. The zookeeper ran after him and caught him at the zebra crossing. The zookeeper ran after him and caught him at the zebra crossing and brought him back to the zoo and brought him back to the zoo. Now beta, you will learn this Z sound story. Watch this video again and again. Thank you.